If you are struggling with making new friends, this lesson will teach you the secret of value so you can make lasting friendships with anyone. Friendships always come down to value, what you can offer to someone else. This is because as humans we are selfish creatures. You must show your value immediately, how you will be a good addition to someone's life. Give and then you will get back eventually. This does not mean chasing someone down or calling them all the time. This means looking at their life, seeing what they are missing, and providing that. This dark art, like many others, depends on your target. It is always about your target. While one person may crave advice, another may need someone to brag to. As a general rule, a woman tends to value connection and sharing stories, whilst a man tends to value someone who will appreciate their accomplishments. To make friends at will requires you work on yourself first, so you get better at giving value. When people can see that you can bring something new to their lives, they cannot resist you. People consider these methods dark, but if you look at anyone you know who is good at making friends, they do this all the time. So you must use them too if you wish to have more friends. The invitations, the offer, the ear willing to listen to you are all examples of value that you should work on giving to make new friends. If you would like more help with making friends, leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Thank you for attending this lesson. Like and subscribe for more. Have a happy International Friendship Day.